Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here by my greenhouse, my favorite place. So I wanted to show you this awesome set of seed cells that I have. So it comes as a 2-pack, and this baby is huge. Check out all of those cells that it holds. Each tray holds 60 plants, so 120 total. And it comes with this awesome lid. It keeps all that humidity in. Look at all that. Something that is super nice about these is how tall the lid is. So sometimes the little seedlings get a little bit too tall for the lid, but these are super tall, so that's really nice. The top has these really nice vents that you can turn to let the air circulate, and then it has the little handle when you want to open it to water it. It comes with 2 of these cell packs with the cells, and then it has a nice tray in the bottom to catch any water while you're watering. Super impressed with how fast the stuff germinated. I started a few lettuce seeds inside and outside, and it's still pretty cold outside during the day. It's been getting up around 50. But the ones in my greenhouse have not sprouted. It's been about 7 days now, but the ones inside sprouted in a day. So it really does make a difference having that extra heat to help them germinate. So if you are ready to get your little seedlings started, the set by SOLIGT, really nice. I'm happy with it. Getting all my little sprouts going, and that is my point of view.